Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about best products under $10, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. As usual, I will list down below all of these products and everything that I have on my face. I decided to have the $10 mark because I have some of these under 5, but maybe they are under 5 in the US and they are over $5 in Europe or vice versa, so I decided to have the $10 mark. So first product that I think it's a really amazing one is the Streamline eyeliners from Makeup Revolution. I bought the orange one and then I decided to purchase the black one as well because they are so creamy, easy to blend, pigmented. They are staying in the waterline really nicely. So these are incredible and from the drugstore. The price that I found for these ones is $3.85. That price is here in Romania, so I'm sure that you will find these for under $5 or around that. So these are really great. Then I have the E.L.F. No Budge stick, and this is really great. I have it in Copper Chic, and for some reason I'm losing my voice, and this is a great shadow stick. It is pigmented, it stays in place, you can just play it with your finger if you want, and it looks incredible on the waterline as well. So I really want to recommend this one. In Europe I found this one at around $7, but in the US this is 5. So again, depending on where you live, this is a bit more expensive or less expensive, but this is an amazing product. I think it is a hit. Then I have the Lash Princess from Essence here. I always recommend this one because it's so inexpensive and it's so nice. I have the pink one in here. This one is my favorite, and it is the Curl and Volume Mascara. This is voluminous, but the Lash Princess line has a lot of mascaras. So if you want something waterproof, if you want something more lengthening, this line has it. In Europe, I bought this one for $4.26. Again, you may have some discounts or not, so that will vary, but I found this one in the US for $5. So again, very inexpensive, and this is a really good mascara. Next, I want to recommend from Essence as well the lip oil. This is pretty new from what I know, and I found this one for $3.02, so pretty inexpensive. Essence is a very cheap brand in general, and I have some other products from Essence because it's one of my favorite drugstore brands. They are doing really good makeup and it is very easy to find in Europe, so that makes me very happy. This one is really nice. It is blush on the lips, not sticky or something. It is like a lip oil, so pretty thin and hydrating. It looks really nice. I bought the orangey shade. It is the shade 2 Honey, and it's a really nice lip oil from the drugstore. Then from Essence, let's talk about Essence for half of this video. I have the Pure Nude blush. I know that other shades are just a bit more shimmery, so I think I would prefer just a tiny bit other shade more than this one, but I am wearing it today and it looks so nice. I have the shade Rosy Rosewood and so easy to blend. It is pigmented, but not very pigmented, so it is buildable, which I really appreciate. I just prefer a buildable formula over a very pigmented one. It is a baked formula, so it's just really nice. I really recommend it. Then I want to mention the BH Cosmetics highlighter. I would like to use this one every day if possible. It is right now my favorite highlighter. I am so happy that I tested this one. It's so nice. I am wearing it today. I have on top the Rem Beauty green highlighter, but mostly it is this one. This is $7.46 for what I was able to find. It's the shade Sun Chaser that I have here. It's so beautiful. It's just melting into the skin and it's not glittery. I really don't like a glittery highlighter. It's a high-end formula in a drugstore packaging. I really like it. So you will hear me talk about this one a bunch of times because it's so great. Then I have from Catrice the Soft Glam Filter Fluid, and this one is really great. Right now I don't think you need to splurge and purchase the Charlotte Tilbury one. Sure, that one has a bit more coverage than this one, but really is not that big of a difference. It's a really nice product and you get this full-size bottle for $8.31, so a lot more affordable than the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I really like the packaging as well. It is a glass bottle. I can't recommend this one enough. Then a very nice bottle as well, and this is actually my second one, is the Essence Low Good Stuff Glow Serum. This is my favorite primer. I really like a hydrating primer and this one is incredible, and this retails for around $5 in Europe and around $6 in the US. From what I was able to find, this is so hydrating, so nice. It makes your skin glowy but it's not overly glowy. It looks just incredible. So again, I don't think you need to splurge, and this one has a pump and it is working very well. This is a favorite. Then I have a concealer, and this is actually an empty one because I finished it in the project pen. And funny story with this one, I put it in the project pen and I said in the video that I don't think I will finish this one that fast because yada. I finished it so fast, and that is because I didn't realize, but I was always getting this one with me in vacation, and I used it so many times before the project pen, so it was very easy to finish because I love it so much. And right now I love as well the NYX, the one with the pump. That one is really nice, but that one I think it's over $10 or just around maybe $11. So I really like that one as well. But this one is so nice. It has just a bit more coverage than the NYX one, and I will repurchase this one as well because it's so good. I really like it. And again, a glass bottle and a really nice packaging. Then I have the Revolution bronzer. In here I bought it for $6.82, and I found it in US for around $8, so still under 10. It's creamy, easy to blend, pigmented enough but sheer enough that it's not muddy or something. It's so nice. This is one of my favorites. I really like it. It's so inexpensive and so great, and this packaging, even though it is plastic, at least it's a pretty sturdy plastic, similarly to the highlighter and to the blush from BH Cosmetics and from Essence. And then I have actually a product from NYX. NYX is getting pretty expensive nowadays, so I have just a bunch of products from NYX, but I do have a video only for NYX, so you can find that. I will link it down below actually. But I want to recommend this one because it is a nice product, and this retails for around $8. This is the Eyebrow Powder Pencil. NYX is really good at brow products in general, but this is my favorite one. It's so easy to apply. It's not too creamy, which I really like, but not too stiff that will just take some hairs out, and I really like it. I have the shade Taupe here, and it is the one that I have on my brows today, and they look incredible. And I actually like it as well because you are not going through it in 1 month or something like that, because sometimes you get those twist up brow pencils and they are done in 1 month or 2. This one will take just a bit longer to finish, which is really nice because you don't want to repurchase a brow pencil every month or every other month. And lastly, I have actually an eyeshadow palette in here. and it is the color Icon from Wet n Wild, and the packaging is not great, I can't open it right now, but I really like it. It is a good formula. I know that it has neutrals, so in general neutrals are pretty easy to do, but the matte formula is pretty nice as well, pretty pigmented and easy to blend, and the shimmers are not the most basic ones, which I really like, because you have this yellowy gold and these coppery shades that are normal shimmers, but you get some more sparkly shimmers as well, so you have some options in here and I really like it. This is in Call Me Sunshine because they have more color arrays, and this one is really nice, so I wanted to recommend you this one as well. This in Europe is actually around $4. If you are able to buy this one at a discount, and $4, that is so inexpensive, and I found it in the US for around $7, so I think that is nice as well. $7 for these shades, and they are really good quality. I think that is a good price. So these are all the products that I wanted to mention. This was a pretty quick video, but these 12 products are really nice, really inexpensive, and very good formulas. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.